Installation of light panel system. WPS System products deliver higher standards in selection, beauty and performance. No other company can match WPS interior system portfolio of products. With all our interior systems we offer freedom of choice to our customer to experiment with style, color and texture. The freedom to be creative, to mix and match and think beyond just four walls. Our customers will appreciate that we are providing them with the products and expertise to achieve their vision, no matter what your vision may be. Higher standards mean focusing our extensive industry experience to help you navigate the challenging construction market. We pledge to support you with educational, installation opportunities. Tools recommended are 1 7¼ power circular saw or skill saw, 1 power router 1/2" shank for 45° and curves, 1 power trimmer router 1/4" collets for ease edges, 1 10" sliding compound miter saw for cutting trims, 6" by 10 feet straight edge, 1 small self-leveling line laser, horizontal and vertical, 18-volt cordless impact driver, 18-volt cordless drill driver, 2 number of 8" wood suction cup for material handling, pair of sawhorse table. Set up cutting table or workstations in well-ventilated outdoor areas so that any generated dust is carried safely away from workers. If any area with adequate ventilation is not available, an IOSH-approved respirator should be used. To carry a large panel solo, a person should hold it on edge in the middle with arms spread apart for maximum support of the product. Lifting or carrying large panel or trim in a flat orientation may break or bend the product. WPS recommends that 2 people always carry panel products. Workers should hold the panel near each end and on edge. Because of reduced visibility when handling panel products, take extra care to avoid damaging the corners and edges of the panel as well as items and finishes around the work. When cleaning up dust and debris from cutting wood and phenolic material, never use a broom or brush. If the debris material is dry, sweeping dry material may send dust particles into the worker's breathing area. Instead, wet down the debris with a fine mist to suppress dust during sweeping or use a vacuum. When pieces of cutting panel material can be disposed of in normal waste containers. Upon arrival of your order, inventory and inspect each panel and all accessories. If there are any signs of damage, note the bill of lading for the time of delivery and document the damage. Failure to do so can make it difficult to file a freight claim. Send a list of damaged materials to WPS and contact your WPS representative for further instructions. It is crucial that damaged panels, accessories, or packaging be reported to WPS as soon as they are discovered. WPS panels should be transported using WPS standard pallets or crates. Baling bands are to be removed upon delivery. Lift the panels from each stack individually, taking care not to scratch or damage any adjacent panels when removing panels from the stack. Panels can be stored horizontally on a flat surface free of debris, or kept on pallets or crates with supports at 12 inches on center, or less. All horizontal surfaces, including panels and pallets, should be covered with a clean membrane or board to protect the panels from damage. Panels need to be stored in an area that is well covered from the elements, cool, ventilated, and dry. These products must be kept covered on a pallet off of the ground. Install all aluminum trims on the wall per architect's plans layout. Begin the installation process by setting up a laser level and getting a true level reference line. The reference line should not be on the same line as a horizontal trim. Once the reference line is established, measure down the wall and locate bottom edge trim. Install bottom edge receiver LWS601. fastened to steel or wooden studs, concrete, masonry or brick walls. If there is a gap between the wall and back edge of extrusion, use glazing shims to infill the space. Ensure ends are 45-degree cross-cut. Install the vertical edge trim LWS603. Install remaining vertical edge trim in same way. Install vertical edge trims at inside corner. Vertical edge trim LWS603 at inside corner for light and decorative panel. Vertical edge trim LWS603 at outside corner for light and decorative panel. Install the top edge trim LWS603. Install the horizontal receiver LWS620. The horizontal joint will need to be fastened at each stud and not cantilever beyond the stud by more than 8 inches. Repeat this for all horizontal trim. Install vertical receiver at the correct intervals between the horizontal joints. After complete installation of all aluminum trims, take all panel measurements for fabrication process. When we take measurement for the LED panels, need to be exact sizes because LED panels cannot be cut or field modified. Install the LED light panel by sliding it up into the channel of the upper rail and move the bottom edge of the panel into the place above the bottom rail. Install electrical power supply on the wall ready so when we receive LED light panel we'll have the power supply. Continue this way until the wall is completed. Now you completed installation of the LED light panels, turn on the light to test every panel, and make sure all works. Place the bottom edge of the decorative paneling in the channel created by the bottom edge trim. Capture each panel by placing trim in the vertical edge trim. Apply small dot of silicone, every 10 inch to 12 inch. Install bottom edge capture LWS631 in a place, tied to the bottom rail with silicone adhesive. Install all vertical trim and horizontal or vertical joint capture, LWS630. Continue this way until the wall is completed. Install edge capture LWS631. Install vertical edge capture LWS631. Edge capture at inside corner. Edge capture at outside corner. At WPS, satisfied clients are our #1 priority. To best serve you, our customer service department is available during business hours. And we are hands-on light panel system. Products installation advisor is out standby. This trusted advisor is ready to answer any question, assist with any install, and provide us with support. Thank you for watching WPS Light Panel System, and hope we contribute to your benefit. Please visit us at our website and see more systems installation video and products.